morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back on our second video for the Y22 Smartwatch, and this time we are going to check on the menus and features of this wearable. Okay, the first video is all about unboxing and checking its specifications. This time we're going to check on the different menus of this wearable, especially in the health and sport function. So we have here the smartwatch. Again, let's take a look at the design here. So we have a zinc alloy body, a crown button here, but no function, just on and off function. Back cover here, PC material. Okay, charging port here, and the sensor. It has a flexible strap with a quick release button. Okay, so you can check it here. So beautiful. Okay, so seems like we have a mic, okay, hole here, and we have here on the side the speaker. Okay, so earlier I'm looking for the mic, but seems like I thought it's not available, but it's here. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch, and we have the display. Okay, it has several preloaded watch faces here. Okay, let me show it to you. Okay, so swiping from top. Okay, just like other wearables, we have these settings here. Okay, including the flashlight, the battery, and the screen brightness. Okay, and on the left side here, okay, let me adjust the brightness here. Okay, adjust. On the left side here, we have the quick menu, okay, for the bubble type menu. Okay, on the right side we have the direct access to the different functions here. So this one is for the phone with its Bluetooth call functionality. We have AI voice support. We have a activity tracking here, sleep monitoring. Also have the heart rate, blood oxygen. Okay, what else? We have the weather data, and that's it. On the bottom part, we have access to the menu. Okay, let me check if it's working. So not. Okay, the button here is not working, so it's just on again. As I have said, it's just on and off. Okay, so let's check the different menu, okay, of the Y22 smartwatch. Okay, so we have messages, we have activity tracking. So in our automatic activity tracking, we have the steps, calories, exercise. We also have the graphs here, 7-day graph. Okay, we have a weekly trend, and that's it. I hope they have a return button here on the side. We also have a sleep monitoring. Okay, monitoring the minutes here and the hour, as well as the light and the deep sleep. We also have the heart rate. So let's check. So automatic, please wear good and try again. So it is detecting that we are not wearing our smartwatch. So let's check. So we have the heart rate. Okay, let me check if it's now calculating. Okay, let's check if we can get the results here. Okay, it may take some time. Okay, so we have the results. Okay, please turn on all day heart rate in the app, so it supports real-time heart rate monitoring 24/7. So we have here the data. Okay, so we are in the light category. Okay, so go back. So we also have the training. Okay, sports functions are walking, running. We also have cycling, okay, skipping rope, badminton, basketball, football, swimming. Okay, very good. So meaning we do have a very good waterproof rating. Climbing, tennis, rugby, golf, yoga, dance, baseball, elliptical machine, indoor cycling, and free sports, rowing, cross country, skiing, and that's it. So far, it has a very comprehensive list of sports function. Okay, so let's check for the walking. So automatic timer here or counter. So we have the timer, the hour here, the calories, steps, and the distance. We also have data for heart rate while you are doing your exercise routine. Okay, so let's go back. Stop. Yes. Okay. So we have phone here. Okay, we have a separate section for the blood pressure. So let's check also. Okay, will it warn us? Okay, so it is warning that we have to use the wearable. Okay, let me just wear it properly. Again, as you can see, it has a comprehensive list of different functions as well as the sport health monitoring. So here it's now calculating our blood pressure. Let's see if we can get the results here. Okay, watch out also for our video as we are going to demo. We'll check every blood pressure function here for our chosen smartwatches to see if how the result compare with the uh, standard or what we shall we say a reliable heart rate or blood pressure monitoring. Okay, so a medical grade tool in checking our blood pressure. We'll compare it with the different smartwatches. Okay, so we have 122 over 79. Usually my blood pressure is around 110 over 70. Okay, so let's check. We also have blood oxygen monitoring here, weather. Okay, no data, still haven't connected it with our smartwatch. We have music player, AI. We have breathing guide here, stopwatch, alarm, countdown. Also have a game. So let's check. Okay, so what's this? Tic-tac-toe. Oh, we only have one game here. We also have a flashlight and the settings. For the settings, we have brightness, option to turn off the Bluetooth call, ring and vibration, shake on, heater mode, reset, power off, QR code, find phone. Okay, so that's it for the different features and functions of the smartwatch. So let's check the dial pad here. Okay, so I guess okay, so it warns here that we have to connect first with the Bluetooth. Okay, what else? So we have flashlight. Okay, we have the call function here, Bluetooth call, brightness. We are already done with this, and we have the bubble type for those who are fan of this type of menu. Okay, again let's have again a review of its menus. On top, on the bottom part, we have the different menus here. Okay, on the other side we have the bubble type here, direct access to the different menus of the Y22 Smartwatch. Okay, so that's it. Very affordable, fashionable smartwatch the Y22 2022 version, okay, smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Watch out for our third video for this one. We're going to pair it with our smartphone with a Dafit app. We'll also have a installation of watch faces for the Dafit app. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Bye.